New unboxing. Sorry about the light. I don't know why it's on. New KTM 450. Looks smick. Whirly's made. Oh shoot. Whirly's made this. Pretty good. KTM, good brand to go. But you can't beat the RM, which is smick. I reckon CR. You know the CR. Nelf, I don't know, something called like that. They make a CR250. They make a CR250. So I'll be getting that soon. And if you want to see the unboxing of it, make sure stay tuned. So the RM250. Let's pop that aside there. And hopefully you can see that. Yep. So the unboxing of the KTM 450. We'll see how we go here. Never opened this. Been wrecked for some reason.
Kid, you ready?
Right, and there you go. You have the Old State 05, and it was starting to come off. Or is it just water today for some reason? Stuff is very loose on this. But she looks a bit smick, I reckon. With the gold. She looks... What's it? 4-stroke, of course. And that's what I hate about them. But we're doing another pretty good. Heather Scribes. Might get one of these. The next subscriber to subscribe to my YouTube channel will get one of these bad boys. Maybe this, or maybe the RM. Maybe a brand new armor. I don't know. Because she was smick. I wish you could ride this. I think you have a bolt in there or something. So, you can't ride it, unfortunately. I wish we could. The CR we can ride, that I'm getting next. She just popped out. She hasn't snapped off or anything. Click. I heard that click. That should be good. Pop it back in. Dun, dun. And Fortnite, if you're watching this video, you should make a skin for the Queen. I just reckon you should. Because Queen, no one could beat the Queen. She's the most important person. Now the King. So, Fortnite, if you're watching this, Epic Games, make a skin for Queen Elizabeth. And for the KTM, yeah. Looks pretty smooth. Or would you rather the RM? Leave it down in the comments what you would rather, the RM or the KTM 450. RM 250 smick. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like. Yeah.